What's up, my beautiful little Phillians? Today, we're going to be doing 5 ways to not go to school. Number 1.
What's up?
You do the occasionally you're too sick to go to school. Like this. Mom, I'm sick. Oh, I don't feel good. And then she's gonna be like, oh no, that's not good. But if you have the angry mother like, I don't really care, just take medicine and go. Well, you're gonna kind of like need to get some vomit and make some out of whatever shampoos, greens, poop, whatever you have. Then you're gonna put it all over the floor and then you're gonna puke. Real enough. Okay, you stay in bed. Bring you ham and eggs. Bacon! Number 2. You pretend there's a bully that bullies you like crazy. Of course you get your mom. Mom, there's this one kid named Don, and he's always stepping on my toes and kicking me behind the seat. He calls me butt eggs, and I don't like that. Well, you could tell him to simply stop. Doesn't stop you from education, hon. Don't call me that. He touched my butt cheeks once. Fine. But only today. Yes! Number 4? Or 3? 3. I think. No, number 4. Yeah. You do the sibling fighting. So it's your occasionally Monday or Tuesday. You're getting ready, and then you fight with your siblings, just pretend, and you pretend to break your legs, and they're like, I didn't do anything. Oh my god, you stupid little children, why do you do this to each other? I tell you. Or you could just be sick. I tell you not to play like this, and yet you're stupid enough, you don't listen, and you do it. You have to stay home. We're going to the doctor. Then you get your butt cheeks out of the house and get your butt on the bus. Of course, it's gonna work. Number 5. You get your sister, or probably your sister, or someone, or your younger brothers, anybody younger than you, just like anybody. You poke them. And you do the occasional stuff until you hurt them. Like, you break them, or you like really hurt them and try to kill them and stuff. And then your mom's gonna be like, oh my god, again, what did I tell you? Oh my god. And then she's gonna talk to you for like an hour about how not to do it, and it's gonna be too late. They're gonna lock the gate, you can't enter school, voila. Got yourself a day home. Okay, thank you my fellow Phillians for watching. Goodbye. And those random noises in the background were some ogre. So bye.